Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Our topic for today will be the F-test, and this will be our last topic for this semester. And this topic is quite complicated, kaya daghan siya variables, and then also part gahapon siya or appeal gahapon siya sa ato ang exam, final exam. So, pangutana kada sa dato ang examis. So atong departmental exam will be on January 14. January 14, 8 to 10 ang schedule. So I hope nakakita na mo sa schedule. 8 to 10. And then, si coverage. So cover to cover ta. Star 2 person product moment coefficient correlation. T-test, the simple linear regression, the multiple linear regression, and this one, the F-test, which is the one-way and two-way ANOVA, or analysis of variance. Okay, so karon na sa mga nakasud, I hope maminaw mo maayo ha. Pay attentive, kay mas advantage sa inyo ha, if nakasunod mo. Unlike sa katong wala gid kasunod karon, although recorded man siya, pero masindot man gud naka-participate mo. So you have to prepare your calculators, also your notes, so that if question or ganahan mo answer, so makasunod ra mo. Okay? So is that okay with you? So for today, as I said, we will have the F-test. So F-test, it can also be called as analysis of variance. So di lang ako ikuan ha, yung PowerPoint display kay para makakita ko sa other buttons. Okay, so what is the F-test? First there is, it is another parametric test used to compare the means of two or more groups of independent samples. So, as I said, it also known as the analysis of variance. The researcher is interested to know if there are significant differences between the columns and the rows. So this is also used in looking at the interaction effect between the variables being analyzed. So like the t-test, the F-test is also a parametric test, as I've said, which has to meet some conditions and the data to be analyzed. If they are normal, expressed in interval or ratio data. So this test is more efficient than the other tests of difference. So when do we use the F-test? So the F-test is used to find out if there is a normal or there is a significant difference between among the means of the two or more independent groups, right? And then when there is a normal distribution and when the level of measurement is expressed in interval or ratio data. So it is just like t-test and z-test. How do we use the F-test? So this is how are we going to compete with the F-test. Okay, take note ha. Okay, get your notes. Okay, first one is to get the CF, which stands for correction factor. So how are we going to compute for the correction factor? So correction factor there is the grand total. So grand total. Tsaka unsa may stand in ang grand total. So that is the total or the summation of all the observations. Like if we are given 20 observations, that is our N, big N. And then grand total ato nila, pila man to siya tanan. That is our summation. And then squared, so that is our divided by N. So for the correction factor. How about the TSS? So that is the total sum of squares minus the correction factor. So ang saan man ka na sa TSS. So later on, I will just have, or I will just give you the exact formula. So ato alang karon is just the definition itself. Next is DSS. So it is the between sum of squares minus the correction factor, which is a CF. Next is the WSS. So it is the within sum of squares. It is the difference between the TSS minus the BSS. So once we get the value for the TSS and the BSS, so if we try to get their difference, that is our within sum of squares. All right? Excited na? Excited na? Saan? Anyways, there is another one. So this is table or ANOVA table. This is intended for one-way tables. As I've said earlier, na atay example for ANOVA table, which ANOVA, which is the one-way and the two-way. Okay. For the one-way table, ANOVA table, this one. So we have the sources of variations. It composed of two, which is the between groups and within group. The degrees of freedom in order for us to get the between groups, mo niyahang formula, which is the k minus 1. Karon, if we're given 4 groups, so that means there the k is the number of groups. So kung 4 minus 1, our degrees of freedom is 3. Okay? And then for the within group, we have there n minus 1. So our n would be the total number of observations. Kung ibutan ta 20 atong number of observations. So 20 minus 1 minus na naman tayo din sa katong k minus 1. So we expect n minus 1 minus the 3, which is 20 minus 1 is 19 minus 3. So we have 16 for the total degrees of freedom. So n minus 1. Next is the sum of squares. Okay, our sum of squares, so we have to compute the BSS, the WSS, and then the total sum of squares. And then for the MS, para ma-compute na natin siya, so we have to divide BSS to the degrees of freedom. Take note ha, WSS to degrees of freedom. And then for us to compute for the computed value, so we have MSB. So we have to divide MSP to MSW. Okay? And then the tabular value will be based on the ANOVA tabular value, which is a level of significance at an alpha level of 0.05. Kana atong gamiton 0.05. All right. Para mas masabtan pa, let's have an example. So you have be ready with your calculators. Okay, so this one. So we have here the example. Okay, so our first example is a sari-sari store is selling 4 brands of shampoo. The owner is interested if there is a significant difference in the average sales of the 4 brands of shampoo for 1 week. Now, these are our data. So we are given 4 different brands of shampoo, which is the A, B, C, and D. And these are their sales for 1 week. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the sales for this brand. And also this one for this brand, this one for this brand, and this one for the brand D. So for the correction factor, you already have the idea kung saan man to. What is the formula for the correction factor?
GT squared over n.
Again?
GT squared over n.
Okay, that's GT squared over n. Okay, do you have any idea? Ang pila man atong Sorry, asan ni David?
So these functions are exponential functions.
Okay.
And usually an exponential function, there is three compound trace and very exponential functions and some interest.
Our CF, sa tuhan, GT squared over N. Okay. So, pila man atong GT anahan? Our GT, how much?
2 raised to x, that's an exponential function. Is a constant function.
156.
Okay, that's good. 9156 man han.
Gi-add ha tanan ang ilahang kuan miss sales.
Okay, so we have to add
Squared, so that's so sine 2x. So that is an exponential function because both the base and the exponential functions. Okay.
so atong kuhaon niya summation sa tanan.
Exponential functions are
Matod panghana,
these are the rows.
we have to get all the summation in each brand. Okay, so pila naman na aron? We have also N. Pila man natong N?
7.
Pila?
7 miss.
Ang N. Our
28.
number. Okay, very good. So we have 28.
28.
Okay. So pila naman ato ang CF karon? Correction.
5.77. 5.7. 5.57 miss.
Okay. Unsa? Okay.
5.57 miss.
I-calculate balik. 156 squared over 28.
869.14.
Okay, very good. So we have 869.14. So that is our correction factor. Okay. 869.14.
Apparently, mas fast pa rin yung cubic. Depende na sa inyong model. Sa inyong model. Kung ang model nyo yung mga cubic, so that is function. Pero, exponential function, at a certain time,
Okay. Let's have ano naman, TSS. Since naman si TSS. So for the TSS, we have the total sum of squares. So the summation in each observation squared plus the summation squared plus 4 squared minus C minus the correction factor. Pila man na aron?
Anyway, so ano to?
Pwede pa kita ang
Properties of exponents.
Sure.
Master naman ninyo. Ito na lang summarize din. Properties of exponents. If we have u and
20.86.
Nga naman han.
so if you have
Ha?
u of a raised to
No?
Yep.
Sa'yo. Hala ka sa ko.
5,720.86 miss. Dili mo?
Okay, wrong. So,
5693.86, Miss.
okay. So again, is the observation. Each observations.
5,720.9. Sakto ba ka?
Kasi hanap pa sa akin ng mga book names function that's having the fruit of fields to them.
That is the observation. Each observation imo is square.
So from tayo na narating
4.
discussion to kailangan yung mapanigalit sa ating mga computation.
Imo is okay. Pila-pila?
5,000.
Okay, dako ra. So, okay. So we have 2, 2, 5. Ngano ka ang 2, 2, 5? Ngano 2, 2, 5? And we have also 4, 7, 5. Also 110 plus 204 minus 8. Minus 869.14. Ngano kahana?
G-square ang each given, Miss.
Yes, that's why nana ko ganina na each observation squared siya, diba? So pila man na aron?
144.86.
Okay, that's good. So we have 144.86. So that is our TSS. 0.86. Okay, next will be the BSS. For the BSS, we have the summation of summation of x of the group 1 squared n1 over n1 plus the summation of x in group 2 plus the summation of x in group 3 over n3 plus the summation lag. Okay, wait sa. So, i-continue na to. So, plus the summation of x in group 4 squared over n4 minus cf.
So for X, by the way, kaya ko naman sa lugar ito, may nagpapalit sa lang. Video namin.
Pinapamudira? Pila man ang BSS?
1.42.
941.
941.42.
Okay, and then minus CF pa man.
CF.
Yes, napay CF. Ingon ko ganina wala na suwat kay. Lag siya. Okay, minus CF.
72.29, Miss.
Okay, that's good. So 72. 72.29. All right. So, like what I've said, so in order for us to get the within sum of squares, we have to get the difference. 144.86 minus 72.29. So our WSS now is 72.57. All right. For the NOVA table, sama na nato ron. So let us remember for the between groups, in order for us to get the degrees of freedom, so K minus 1. Mamantay yung formula, no? So K minus 1. So pila man ka group. So we have 4. So same gap sa kong example ganina. So 4 minus 1, we have 3. And then the within group, pila man. Sa to, N minus 1. So kanang naka-remember. So man to. Pila?
81.
Sa 81. Bali, unsa to ang formula ganina? Unsa man to? We have, di ba, N minus 1 minus K minus 1.
24.
So, pila man atong N? We have?
28.
So, 28. And then?
Minus 7. Minus 1.
Minus 1. Here, we have 3. So, pila man na ron?
Light automatically switches to ready mode. Then
Pila? So we have 24. Okay. So here is 24. So if we try to have the to get the total, diba 27. And then yung formula sa total is n minus 1. So 28 minus 1, we can get 27. Okay. For the sum of squares. So ano itong sum of squares? So sum of squares between ila? Sum of squares between or between sum of squares, which is the BSS. So we have 72.29. And then for the WSS, we have 72.57. Kaya wala isang. Okay. So, tara, nakuha na to. So, which is the total sum of squares, which is 144.86. Now, for the mean squares. Pila man ang mean squares? Pila to mean squares. So, sa formula sa mean squares, we have?
DSS over DF.
Okay, so the SS over DF. So 72 divided by 3, we have this 1. And then 72.57 divided by 24. So we can get 3.02. Okay, kina. Now for the computed volume, pila man? Pila itong computed volume? Daman to. Pila?
In this case, mas gamay ang exponent sa exponential negative x. So, one ay hindi ka to do that. Factor that out. It will be that 8 and
Uy.
take out exponential
98.
Pila? 7. Okay,
98.
that's good. So we have 7.98 because we have to divide MSP over MSW. And based on the tabular value or the table or the F-test table, our value for 3 and 24, so ako sa i-search ha, para makita na to kung tinuod ba jud na 3.01 imong giingon. Set. Asa man eh. Tapos.
how to be solved for the minor x.
So for the alpha level,
exponential 2x as in the exponent. It is the same as exponential x raised to 2 minus 7 exponential x equal to 0. So if you notice, after certain value squared minus 7 times that value plus 10. So this resembles a quadratic equation, right? Medyo pas-pas lang siya, ay iwan naman maaari ka ng weighting sa algebra.
pilot 3 o 24. So dara, maklaro ba? Di ba blurred? Klaro-klaro ra? With the 5% or the upper points. So we have here, saan mo niya ika? Kaniog. Okay, here. 3, our degrees of freedom for the k minus 1 is 3. And then for the n minus 1, which is 24 here, so yung intersection dara. So we can have our tabular value of 3.01. So atong ibalik tong Excel. So we have 3.01. 01. Okay. Now, what is the interpretation if we are given the decision rule? If the F computed value is greater than the F tabular value, so you have to disconfirm HO. And then our H0 or HO will be there is no significant difference. And then our alternative is there is a significant difference among 4 brands, or the average sales among 4 brands. So, sa interpretation na to, ano, As you can see, we have computed value, which is 7.87, and our tabular value is 3.01. Hannah, what would be our interpretation?
There is no significant difference between the sales of 4 different brands of shampoo.
Again, there is no?
Disconfirm pala, there is.
Okay, that's good. Okay, since dako man atong computed value, di ba? Greater than man siya compared to the tabular value. So that means there is a significant difference. Okay, nagkasinabtan na ita. Question with this one, with the one we ANOVA.
Okay, so kailangan siguro na sa exponential function na yun.
None? None so far? John Chris. Question, John Chris.
Sis mi miss kanan no. Di ni lagi ka ng computed value miss.
Di indikan ang computed?
Value.
Kaning 7.97. So
Yes, miss.
you have to divide 24.10 and 3.02 in order for us to get the computed value, which
Okay,
is
miss. Thank you, miss.
MSB divided by MSW. Okay, another question.
Okay, we factor out exponential frequency. Any common lang sila.
Another question, guys.
Mas lesser siya ang exponent. So,
Sige. No? No question? Kinsa pa man din. Manawag ta ka kasi nanay sila mga kaligut-gut niya. Hindi din maakuan. How about Banban? Vanessa? Van? Wala. Okay. That's good. So nasabtan ra. Okay, how about Mary Joy?
Wala na, miss.
Okay. Jake? Oh, nakasuda yung bang kuan. Okay, how about Jake? Do you have any question, Jake? Wala tingog si Jake, ni Sodra. Okay, Jeff. How about Jeff? Nasabtan ra,
Miss,
Jeff?
unsa miss?
Unsay
Wala ko ka-start, miss. Wala ko sa bagorang ko nagsugod.
Okay. Sayang. Okay. Let's
I-post
have...
ra ni mo, miss.
Yes, Jeff.
Record naman kami, no?
Yes, Jeff.
Yes, thank you, Miss.
Okay. So, wala na question. So, let's proceed. Okay. So, ANOVA or one-way ANOVA gives us the interpretation nga naagid siya difference, no? However, di na to ma-identify asa gid ay nilay ang differences. No. Sige, na-identify na to nga nang gid kalainan sa kada brands. Karon, di na to ma-identify asa gid siya nagkalain-lain si A or B ba? Si A or C or si A or D or B or C? No, wala ta kahibaw. So now, we have the Skiffes test. So, unsa man gani Skiffes test? So, that is the formula for the Skiffes test. F, masyag F, nya na yung masyag murag quit sa babaw, is equals to the average or the mean of the group 1 minus the mean of group 2 squared over the within mean squares. Our within mean squares here is this one. Manihang gipasabot. Within mean squares times or n1 plus n2 all over n1 times n2. So that would be our formula. So atong kuhaon sa ang iyang average of each brands. Okay. So karon na naman tay average. Saan naman sunod na itong buhaton? What's next? Are we good to go na to compute for the Skiffes test? Kompleto na ba?
Ang within mean squares, Miss.
Again? Ang?
Within mean squares.
Okay, again, the within mean squares can be found here. So, mana itong value for the within mean squares. So, saan man nato ron? So, if we this one. So, F. So, for the group 1, so as you can see, we have the average or the mean of the group 1 and mean of the group 2. Na siya x1 minus x bar 1 minus x bar 2 squared. So, asa may itong x bar 1 ana. Ay, mo na siya na si Miss Bo. Chula, matawag ko. Ako nga, ragid. Para kan madaligon ako upanan. Sige, ang saon man ba? Asang may x1 ug x2 na to, ana? You can explain. Putol-putol, Miss. Ako may putol-putol? Ha, ako'y putol-putol, guys. Hana? Hello? Ako'y putol-putol?
Sa akong signal, Miss ba?
Okay. Abi ko ako. Mary Joy, ako putol-putol kasi mo mga din ha, Mary Joy?
Dili, Miss.
Okay. Sige. Sige, Mary Joy. Asa may itong X1 at X2, ana? X1 at X2. Sige na, para makompute na nato ang Skiffes test. Asa kaya itong X1 at X2, ana, no?
A ug B, Miss.
Okay, that's good. So, kana, atong siyang gipangayo ang X1 at X2. Kung arita mag-start sa A o B, so atong gi-expect si A would be the X1 and then the B would be the X2. Kung ari po tag A or C, atong gi-expect na si X1 is A and then the X2 is C. Same with kung B or C ato pangitaon, si B atong X1, si C atong X2. Okay, now, let's have first. So, since ang atong unang pangayoon, base ani niya, no. So, atong combination sa upat ka, combination ha, sa upat ka brands. So, natay 6 na mabuhat na comparison. So, if we start with A versus B, kani, A versus B. So here we have X1 5.29 minus ang X2 kay 8.14 squared over our within mean squares kato si 3.02 times 7 plus 7 over 7 times 7. So how much now is our A versus B? Ilang na ron?
Dili din na square si
Ha?
dili din
0.89.
Pila?
0.89.
Higher. Higher. Higher.
9.42, miss.
Lower. Lower,
Di ba,
guys.
miss, squared pa ang 3.02?
No. So, muna yung interpretation. Muna yung interpretation within mean squares.
9.41.
Lower. Lower. So, bali, atong numerator, ani, is kani.
2.69.
Pila?
2.69.
Okay. Correct ba? How about others? Sige, 2.69 kuno according to, kinsa to ni answer?
Pipito.
Okay. According to Pipito, Engineer Pipito, 2.69 kuno. So, our numerator here is this one. Numerator. Diba? Our denominator is only this one. So, pila man na ron? Our A versus B. Pila.
Get the value of x as a function of n. The inverse of that is x is equal to the logarithm of n to the base.
Pila na ron?
And diri naman, y to be expressed as
Sakto ba to? 2.69? Kinsa nakakog 2.69?
Wrong to, miss.
Wrong? Ngano day? Ang sa day dapat sakto? Sige na. How about others? Sige, be.
Ambot. Sakto na ambot.
Ha?
Exponential na operation.
Minsan man.
Lahi man.
Lahi? Gamit na daw yung calculator daw.
0.003.
Mary Joy, kuan, higher. Sakto na tong 2 ha.
0.004.
Sakto na tong 2 pero ang points na lang.
Ah.
Yeah. Sige, Van. Sakto to, Van? 2.69, Van?
2.89.
89.
Ay,
2 point? Hana, kisa pa Manila ina diri. Ni, Carl. Sige, tabangi. Pila ba? 2 point?
Expand that by adding. So example,
So 5.29 naman na aron. 5.29. And we have also minus 8.14. Pila man na aron kung atong koon. So get first the numerator and then denominator na yun. Sige na.
Sunod, you have logarithm of m over n.
Ay, sayop. Mas darker. Okay. Sayop ko. So here, mas darker man din no, base sa kuan. Base sa tawa ang iyang formula. Atong kuan iyang formula, mas darker. Okay. So ang ato din numerator ani kanira din iyang mga averages. And then ang iyang denominator is kaning mean squares or within mean squares. And then iyang mga number of observations. Sige na. Pila na maron? 2 point? Pila?
9.41.
Aha? Layo ra. 2. Akong gi-expect. 2 point kapin. Sige, pila man. Pila man. Uy, nanduka na ay. Hinaliyok-lihok. Chelsea. How about Chelsea? Chelsea?
Miss, wala ka daw calculus.
Okay.
Okay.
Dimi ko kuwas to, mi.
Ha?
Dimi ka kuwas to.
9.21 lang makuha kami.
Ganun 9.
Numerator
9.41 po dapat.
Ay, okay, sorry. Ang ako hindi gitan-aw diri sa akong solution kay ang kuan pa di ay A versus C. Oh my God, sorry guys. Hala, nagdali ko A versus C. Akong gitan-aw sa akong solution. Oh my God. Sakto to, 9.41. Okay, 41. So we have A versus C. Na, mo na ron ma'am. Ako day gaduka. Nagdali mo buoy A versus C. Hindi na gitan-aw. Sige. A versus C na dayon. Sorry kaay guys. Mapaselo pa ko ninyo. Okay. A versus C. So, ato nang ilisan si koan. Si 8.14. Okay.
2.89.
2.89.
Kana siya ma'am. Mao na siya ma'am. Okay. How about A versus T? A versus T.
0.026, miss.
Okay, so we have 0.03 na lang. No?
Okay.
0.3. Sige, sige. B versus C. How about B versus C?
Twenty-two point 745, miss.
Okay, 22.745.
745, miss.
Okay, we have 75. B versus D. B versus D. Ilan mo na?
0.03.
0. Ang B versus D is 10.
10.43.
Okay, and then how about the C versus D?
Two 2.37, miss.
Okay, 2.37. 2.37. All right. So now, let's have this one. The F, or the level of significance, was 0.05. Pila matatong value ganina? Level of significance. Pila man to?
Ato na siya i-relate sa
Atong value based on the table. Tabular value na to. Pila man to?
Second function,
We have pila. Tabular value. Na? Ani, ari na ta ha. So, F,
ang second function niya
0.05. Pila man to?
so therefore, common logarithm is base 10. That is
Pila to? Oy, if balik ta sa one-way ANOVA, so we have this one, 3.01. Ato ang 3.01 and then 3. So, ang nadiha niya, i-multiply na to siya. So, multiply 3.01 times 3. So, we can get 9.03. So, for the interpretation of this one, so na to, atong interpretation, significant or not significant. So, as you can see, our computed value is this one, and our tabular value is this one. So, unsa naman ni dinhi, A versus B, significant or not significant?
Significant.
Very good. Okay, significant. How about A versus C?
Not significant.
Okay. A versus D?
Not significant.
Okay. How about B versus C?
Significant.
Significant, and then significant, and then not significant. So, as you can see in the table, so there is a significant difference in the sales, no, between brand A and brand B. Brand B and brand C, also brand B and brand D. So, however, brands A and C, no, A and C, A and D, C and D do not or not significantly differ in their average sales. So, atong implication ani, so this implies that brand B is more saleable. So, as you can see, mas halinon jud kay siya, no, kay dagko kaayo iyahang averages. So brand B is more saleable than compared to brands A, C, and D. Kana. So, muna nakalahi ni Skifistas, mas maklaro man nato siya compared to the ANOVA. Matag siya nato og kuan nga, yes, it is, there is a significant differences, but Skifistas is more specific. Okay. Do you have any question, Annie? And so far? Wala ra?
Wala ra, miss.
Wala ra. Okay, let's have the two-way ANOVA. Okay, this one. Okay, so example, 45 language students, akong padaan. 45 language students were randomly assigned to one of the 3 instructors and to one of the 3 methods of teaching. Then achievement was measured on a test administered at the end of the term. Use the two-way ANOVA with interaction effect at 0.05 level of significance. Now, if we try to compute this one using the katong stepwise method, so atong i-create or ato i-construct first ang problem, diba? Our first step would be to identify the problem. First problem nato, man, is there, okay, kindly take note. Atong first problem is there a significant difference in the performance, kaniya, mga performances maning scores, in the performance of students under the 3 teachers. So we have 3 teachers, see teacher A, teacher B, and teacher C. So that will be our first problem. Again, I repeat, is there a significant difference in the performance of students under the three different teachers. Next, our next problem, is there a significant difference in the performance, again, in the performance of the students under the three methods of teaching? Kani. So, methods of teaching na sad siya. Our third problem would be, is there an interaction effect between teacher and method of teaching? Okay, so kompleto na. So, mas komplikado ni siya, kaya daghan na siya variables. So, we have the, nanatay tila man ni kakuan. We have 4 columns. Oh, 4. And then, atong row ani, ubay-ubay sad. Sige, now, let's have first, get all the summation. Okay? Hato sa kaon. Yung mga summations. Okay, this one. This one. Sorry. This one. And then, ang summation sa ani niya. Kani. And also this one. Summation niya. The same with here. Okay, so if we try to get summation ani niya, and then we can get our grand total of 1,882. The same here, sad. Kani, and then kani. So the same na siya, diba? Now, so our first computation, nakuhaon, which is the function factor. The same with katong sa one way and two ba? Kung saan man naturon, how much would be our CF? CF, how much is our CF?
182.
Pila to? Sige, CF. Here. So CF GT squared over N. So sa gingon niya na 1882 squared over pila man ka number of observations. Pila man atong N. How much is our N?
45.
Very good. So we have 45. Now, how much is our correction factor?
78,709.42.
Okay, that's good. So we have 78,709 points. Pilahan na?
42.
Okay, 42. So ito na isuwat diri. So we have 78,709.42. Okay. How about our sum of squares, or the total sum of squares? So the formula of that one is this one. Okay, so for the SST, so we have and so on minus CF. So, kana ron.
We are just using, we drafted it because we're just using common sense.
Kana. So, muna na to ron.
Is equal to L of base. So therefore, this is
Kapugta sa tagsa, Miss.
Again? Again, Han?
5 plus
Same ka ganina nga, itag sa tagsa og squares.
Okay, that's good. So let's start. Sige. Let's start. Method of teaching 1, and then teacher A. Pila man iyang total summation of squares.
So we have 2x squared.
7846.
That's good. How about method of teaching 1, teacher B?
X minus x is 14 minus 50 minus 1.
11,633.
Very good. How about method of teaching 1, teacher C?
Tani, ako dibanin na rin.
7769.
Very good. Nakasunod ang uban?
6x minus x.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Okay, how about method of teaching 2, teacher A?
Is negative 1.
7690.
Very good. How about B?
$9095.
Again?
9095.
Recheck ka na. Try to recheck.
Plus x minus 2x squared equals 0. Ano yung minus to?
8834.
Very good. How about C?
Okay, and this is x minus 1 times x minus plus 1 half, right? Tama ba?
10078.
Okay, that's good. How about method of teaching 3, teacher A?
Tama ba yung half? Plus 1 half? Multiply by 1 half, pero there, enough. Sige, anyway. Kaya so x is equal to 1, x is equal to
8095.
8095. How about B?
So, ano ang answer? This, or both. So, inspect.
Our B.
Kanila siya, or kanila.
9346. Okay. And then?
So, ano ang answer? Therefore, x is equal to, so, pwede? Pwede, diba? So, therefore, x is equal to 1.
Okay, 7927. So all in all, we have?
Pwede. Pero di hindi. Diba? Sample na tayo pwede.
All in all, pila man?
Sige. Let's try another one. Another one.
Wala ko pa-note ba yan, Miss?
Okay. So,
79,218.
okay, that's good. Kinsa man to? 79? Katuban?
118.
Kaniban?
MJ.
MJ. Okay, MJ. So, and then our CF is 78, 709.42. So, pila man na ron?
Without calculator problem. How do we
Our,
evaluate?
how much is our SST?
508.58.
Okay, 508.58. All right, how about the SSW? So for the SSW, sa ibaan ha?
5 seconds.
Okay, for the SSW, we have this one.
Kasi let me start with this. Evaluate natin din siya. That will be logarithm of.
Okay, katong 79218. Ito itong nakuha ganina. Which is the summation in each observation. Ako na isuwat ha. And then 198 squared over 5 plus 196 squared over 5. So, up until 199. So, imo siyang, sige, ikuan ko palihog. Okay, magdako or siya sa space. 196 up until 199 squared over 5. Kana. So, kani, 198, kung siyang ibalikod, 198 squared over 5. Nganong 5 man? It's because sa atong within, we only have 5 observations. Kani, in each method of teaching and also the teacher. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it. So 198 squared over 5 plus 196 squared over 5 plus 201 squared over 5, 241 squared over 5, 210 squared over 5 plus 216 over 5 plus 197 squared over 5, 200 plus 224 squared over 5 plus 199 squared over 5. Pila man na?
2/3 ang answer. Negative 2/3, diba? Ang 8 raised to 2/3 is equal to 4 man. 8 squared.
So we have 7, 9, 2, 1, 8 minus pila man ni tanan. Kani pila man siya tanan. MJ, pila man na siya tanan MJ. Nagsunod ka?
4 times 2 condition.
1 Miss 142,625.2.
Lower.
Gi-apil na akong 79218.
Giapil ni mo ang
79218.
Pila mo ang final answer?
Na-clear na.
Ibalik. By the way, before sa di mo kuanon, balik ka sa ni, kuha sa ni pila ka ni tanan or makita nila. Pangutan na din man taning 79218 again dito ni sa observations kani katong 40 squared plus 41 squared up until here 38 squared kani kinalasan 48 squared. Okay? So pila man ni ron kani siya. Pila man ni sila. Minus, ako na lang. Sige, kay more dugay-dugay. So we have 79 088.8. So our final answer would be in saman. Naman ni Ron. We have
129.2.
Okay, 129.2. So that is our SSW 129.2. Next. Next na to ano rin. Okay, our next is saman, which is the SSC. SSC. So we have here. So we have SSC. So 595 squared plus 667. Diri na sa taha. Kani. Sa column na. Ang total sum of squares sa column. Kani. 595 squared. 667 squared plus 620 squared minus CF over 15. Okay? 15. Na naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then tulo ka column. So, pila man na ron?
This is also 10. As well as 10 raised to the
78887.6.
Okay, 7 here.
Eight.
Okay, so here we have 7, 8. Ano to? 7, 8,
8. Tulo ka 8. 7.6.
7.66 minus the CF, which is 7, 8, 709.42. So our SSC now is unsa naman?
178.80.
178.80.
Okay, so 178.80. Okay. So tibutan diri 178.18. Next would be the SSR, or the sum squares of the row. So unsa man? Asa man ani ron? Ako sa i-erase ha.
Remember that element is just related to the base E.
Okay, so okay, now we have the SSR. The SSR, asa naman? Sa namsikong na to? For the summation of the row, so we have, diba? Column, row. So we have 636, 636 squared over, sorry, 15 plus 630 squared plus 16 squared minus CF. Okay. Okay. How much is that one?
78723.47.
Okay, so 78723.47. 7, 8. So our CF again is 78709.42. Now,
14 point.
pila?
14.046.
0, pila?
05.
05. Okay. Okay, 05. 14.05. So for the SSC times the SSR, so we have to get the difference of SST minus SSW minus SSC minus SSR. Okay. So it's 1 minus this one. This one and then minus. Okay. So nanata, kompleto na atong CF, SST, also SSW, SSC, SSR. Okay, now let's have the level of significance. Nalaman ni Ron, level of significance. Have pila? Our DF total, degrees of freedom total, pila man ang iibutang din ha?
5 minus 1.
Okay, 45 minus 1, which is?
44.
Okay, 45 minus 1, we have 44. Okay, how about the next one? Our K. Within. Pila meto ibut ang sa K kahaana. Within. Based on the table. Within. Pila atong K?
5, Miss.
5? Are you sure?
15, Miss.
Pila? 15? Okay, lower. Lower. Sure na sure?
5.
Higher. Pila?
9.
Okay, that's good. 9. Nga naman. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we have 9 times our K, our N minus 1. Pila man atong N? We have? Pila tong small N?
45.
Small N.
Ay, small M.
Ganun 15. We have lower, guys. How much is our N?
5, Miss.
Okay, that's good. 5. So we only have 5 observations in each group. Okay, minus 1. All right, so we have 36. Next is column. So C minus 1. So how many columns do we have? We only have 3, right?
3.
Okay. Equal 3 minus 1. And then our row also we have 3 minus 1. Okay. So kaniyang gibasihan? 1, 2,
3.
3. And then also 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one, pila man? We have?
4.
Okay, 4. All right. Okay, so we are complete na. So we have already had all the data. So, ari na ta sa ANOVA table. So this is two-way ANOVA table with an interaction effect. With interaction. Okay. So how much is our SSB? SSB. Or shall I say SSC na siya. So,
178.18.
okay, so 178.18. Okay. And then our SSR, we have
14.05.
14. And then, ato na ako na sa ikon. Okay, next is our interaction here is unsa man atong interaction. Our interaction would be the product of the SSC and the product of SSR. So 187. Which one? 187.15. And our SSW is
129.2.
Okay. So if we get all the summation, so we have 508, which is our total SSS or SS, sorry. Next, we have the degrees of freedom. So ato na siyang panon kanina sa kilid. So our degrees of freedom for the column, we have 2. Isulat na 2. We have also for the rows 2. And then for the interaction, we have naman 4, right? Product of the SSC and the SSR, or the DFC or the DFR. And then for the within, pila man atong within, we have
46.
Okay, and then summation na dayon ta, summation which is 44. Kana, total. Next, our MS How much is our MSDC or MSC? Bilang saan man to? So in order for us to get the mean squares, okay, we have to divide unsa man.
SS and DF.
Okay, that's good. So SS divided by the DF. So we have 89.09 up until here. Okay. How about the computed? Saan ka na nato si computed? Now for the computed, so ato siyang divide si 89.09 to asa man naka na to? Add to siya na to i-divide sa within. Okay. So within. Malay binagsa. Okay, here. So we have kani, kana, and then kani, kana. Okay. For the tabular value, kung ato siyang tanawon katong sa table, sige, ato i-check ha. Si 2 o si 36. And then si 4 o si 36. So kung si 2 o si 36, 2 o 36. Kani, sige, balik ka sa tani. Magmata-mata na sa ta. Siya 30. Sunita tag mas klaro-klaro. Si maraba ni sa kundi ko ang nila. Very easy. It's very easy. Question. Sige, balik. Okay, kani atong paano na lang. Ay. Dara. So, sa 2, maklaro naman no? So, kung ako siyang kana ha? Si 2 o si 36. Dara. 2 and then 36. So, we have pila atong degrees of freedom. So, not degrees of freedom. The tabular value na to is 2.39. So, matibutan dito. 2.39. And then, timani ha, tabangi ko yung tabang kanang timaan. Sorry. 4 o si 36, we have pilaman. 3.36. 3.36. So, balik ta. Balik ta sa Excel. Nakahitimaan ra mo na ha. Kaya dali kayo kung makalimot lagi. So, pila to atong tabular value, we have pila to, uy. Moderon. So, kung si 2,
2.36.
Okay, so we have 2.36. 2.36. Same ni chat, 2.36. And then our 4 and 36 kay pila man to? 3 point? Dili 2.36. Uy, it's 2.39. Yeah. Kani mo 3.36. 36. Wala. Hindi ready ako iguwangan sa ko dahil. Okay. Stop share. Okay. So here. Na. So for our interpretation, the same decision rule. The same decision rule. So you have to disconfirm H0 or HO. So, unsa man ni siya? S ug NS ra gyapon. Unsa man? S. NS. This one is S. Okay. So, kung ako siyang basa. Yes, so that's it. So, kung ako siyang basahon iyang conclusion, alas kayo kung paano na. So with the computed F value, of 24.82 compared to the F tabular value of 3.39, no, at 0.05 level of significance, with 2 and 36 degrees of freedom, the null hypothesis is disconfirmed in favor of the research hypothesis, which means that there is a significant difference in the performance of the three groups of students under, di ba mama tatong first problem ganina, no? Three group of students under the three different teachers. So it implies that instructor B is better than instructor A. Kaluisan mo. Nadjud makita jud ang implication. Next is with regards to the F value of 1.96, it is lesser than the F tabular value, which is 2.39, no? So same ra gyapon yung level of significance, which is 0.05, with 2 and 36 gyapon atong degrees of freedom. Hence, atong null hypothesis is confirmed. So therefore, there is no significant difference with the performance of the students under the three different methods of teaching. So, kuan kay no, wala siya significant difference si teacher o si students. However, si students in terms of the methods of teaching is wala. So kana ano ka. Okay, next would be the interactions. However, the F value of 13.04 is greater than the F tabular value of 3.36. No? And then same with the level of significance, which is 0.05, with 4 and 36 degrees of freedom. So thus the research hypothesis is confirmed, which means that interaction effect is present between the instructors and their methods of teaching. So students under instructor B, under instructors B, have better performance than another. Yes, tagko sila ko ano scores under methods of teaching 1. This one, and then this one. Under methods of teaching 1. And 3, while students under instructor C have better performance under method 2. So, kanina siya. Okay. So, mas mo prefer sila sa method 1 and at the same time sa kuan, pero lain-lain gyapon no, nagyapoy kuan like method sa method 1 ang B. Mo ni teacher B, madagko siya, and then diri sad. And then asa may dagko diri. Okay, that's it. This will be our last topic for this semester. Yay, we're done. Are you ready for the exam? The departmental exam next week, January 14, 8 to 10 a.m. Ready na? Ready na, guys?
Unsay mga conferences?
Ha? Cover to cover.
Labot pa ni Miss?
Yes, tanan. Mo man na ka departmental mo siya, so from the start, yeah, yes.